Ever wanted to share a funny meme, a cool photo, or maybe a game screenshot on Discord but weren't sure how? Don't worry. This quick tutorial will show you exactly how to post an image in Discord in just a few simple steps, whether you're on a server or chatting privately with a friend. Before we start, if you find this video helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to the channel. It really helps out a lot and lets me keep making easy tutorials like this one. Alright, let's get into it. Here we are inside Discord. You can post an image either in a server channel or in a private chat with a friend. The steps are almost the same, but I'll show you how to do it inside a server first. Open the Discord server where you want to post your image. Then, choose the text channel you'd like to share it in. At the bottom, you'll see the message box, the same place where you normally type messages. Right next to it, there's a small plus icon. Go ahead and click on that. A few options will appear, and from there, select Upload a File. This will open your computer's file explorer. Use it to find the image you want to post. For example, I'll upload a picture of my logo. Once you've found your image, click Open. Discord will now show a preview of your image before you send it. You can type a short caption or message if you'd like, something like, "Check this out," or "Here's my new design." When you're ready, press Enter or click the Send button. And that's it. The image will appear right in the chat for everyone in the channel to see. If you want to send an image directly to a friend instead, it's basically the same thing. Open your friend's chat from the sidebar. Click the plus icon, choose Upload a File, select your image, and hit Send. The process works exactly the same way. You can also drag and drop images straight into Discord. Just grab the file from your computer, drop it into the chat box, and Discord will automatically upload it. You can add a caption if you want before sending. Discord supports common image formats like PNG, JPG, and GIF. So if you're sending a meme or an animated picture, GIFs work great too. Just remember, large files might not upload unless you have Discord Nitro. And if you're using Discord on mobile, the process is just as easy. Simply tap the plus icon beside the message box, select your image from your phone's gallery, and hit Send. That's how easy it is to post an image in Discord, whether you're sharing with your friend or your server community. If this quick tutorial helped you out, please don't forget to drop a like and subscribe to the channel for more simple how-to videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.